I'm Shawn. Welcome to a very special edition of H&R's Recon and Rebuild video series. Today, we're going to skip the usual parts talk and focus on talking turkey. Now, you're probably wondering, but Shawn, you can't give me a turkey tip on Thanksgiving morning. That's not even enough time to preheat the oven. But don't worry, because with Shawn's Super Turbo Turkey Cooking Tips, you can go from frozen fowl to beautifully baked bird in minutes. Step 1. Just throw that whole frozen turkey into the same industrial parts oven you use for press fitting your bearings. Step 2. Set the temperature at roughly the same level as how excited you are to watch football today. Luckily for me, this one goes to 11, so I'll really turn up the heat. Go Bills! Step 3. Watch Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. It's a classic, and until the sequel, Excavators, Dozers, and Articulated Trucks comes out, it's the best we have. And ding, it's done. Ah, smells delicious. Perfectly cooked turkey with just a hint of vaporized bearing grease. Maybe it needs a little more hot air. Well, thanks for watching. If you're looking for more cooking tips, head on over to the Food Network. But if you're looking for parts, give us a call. Friends at H&R, happy Thanksgiving.